So today I'm down here in my soap kitchen ready to make some Christmas soap. When I'm making soap, I like to work in batches of 2, like I have 2 different lyes going at once. I've learned if I have too many at the same time, things can get mixed up. There's just so much at stake when making soap, like all your temperatures have to be just right. And I like to start new lye maybe halfway through making my first 2 batches of soap, if that makes sense. That way they're not all ready at once. And if you want more details on exactly how I go about to make soap, I do have a video. It's called The Basics of Soap Making. I'll try to link it down below in the description box. But for this video, I'm basically just showing you kind of my Christmas soap process. I probably won't go into a lot of details. I have my lye cooling on the outside. I'm melting my hard oils. I have everything else measured out, ready to mix it together. The first soap I'm making here is a peppermint chamomile. It's one of my favorite scents. I love chamomile. It's so easily paired with anything or just on its own. It's one of my favorite scents. And this one is a little bit more difficult with the layering, so I'm just doing 1 loaf at a time. The next soap will be green and white, and it's a scent called Mistletoe. It smells so good, sort of a piney smell, definitely really fitting for the winter season. And I'm only making one loaf because I only had oil enough for one. This scent is also a favorite of mine. It's called Fresh Linen, and it smells exactly like that, really fresh. And I want the look to be kind of snowy and wintry with light blue and white. And I like to pour my blue in at a slant, and then I put the loaf in the fridge for just a bit to let it set quicker before I pour my white base in. And normally I sprinkle it with either Epsom salts or just a white mica powder just to make it look snowy. And for some reason I forgot to do that, but I still think it turned out okay. This soap seems to be a favorite if I show people my Christmas soap, but we're going to call it Hot Cocoa and Peppermint. Gotta say, it smells exactly like that. It even kind of looks like you'd almost want to drink it. But the bottom part has actual powdered cocoa in it, along with cocoa fragrance oil and peppermint. And then the top part has coffee grounds. It kind of looks like a whipped topping. I have my last two batches ready to go here, all measured out. This one is going to be a black coral and moss soap. It will be black and white. I used actual charcoal for my black color and TD for the white. And then over here I have strawberry chamomile. It smells so good. It'll be light pink. I normally don't use this cutter, but I did want my soap to have ridges on it, so that's why I'm going this route. Any soap that has, dried flowers on the top like this one does, I always lay the loaf on the side so that I don't drag my petals through the soap with the cutter. I'll show you some more of the soap that I've been making recently. Everything is curing here on the shelves. They still need to be cleaned up a bit. We often shave the edges and of course label them. So today is our Christmas soap release day. So if you're wanting some great smelling soap, head on over to the Etsy shop, check it out. We don't have a lot in stock, but whatever we have is going to be listed on the shop. And I wish I could get the smell of this to you. I gotta say it smells so good. I'm not sure which is my favorite. I really like the candy cane one, which I'll bring some close-ups in here so you can actually see the names, but this one would be the Peppermint chamomile. And it just smells so clean and fresh. And I do have a few kinds of soap that I didn't make in this video that are also Christmas soaps. So just make sure to head on over to the Etsy shop, check them out if you're needing a good gift idea for someone or just some soap for yourself. As always, I hope your day is going great. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.